Here we go. It's your big chance. You're going to be on TV.
All right.
What do you think about TV hosts? Do you think we're getting paid too much?
You're probably underpaid.
Thank you very much. There you go. I won't bite. You don't have to keep backing up. Because if you keep backing up, you're going to be in the street, and then we're going to lose you. Facebook interns make over $67,000. How do you feel about that?
Uh,
I think she's overwhelmed, people. Do you see that? Speechless by the fact that these people make so much money. What do you think a Facebook intern makes a year salary-wise?
Probably about $2 million a year.
An intern? No, an intern. Not the CEO.
Not the CEO.
No, intern. Because I got to tell you, I'd be an intern for that much money. Are you kidding me?
Okay, let's put it down to $150,000 a year.
150,000? Wow, you are very generous. Can I work for your company? Seriously. Do you think TV hosts are overpaid or underpaid?
Overpaid.
What? No. Okay, that's it. Interview's over. You're done. Get out of here, Carol. Come on.